Pretty steep, huh?
It's a long climb.
It's recording now. We are in the mountains. What mountains are these? The falls?
Cascade Falls National Forest.
Cascade Falls is located in Giles, Virginia. It is a stunning 66-foot-tall waterfall nestled within the Jefferson National Forest and is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Virginia. Little Stony Creek falls over a vertical cliff in several different streams. Several streams cascade a couple times on the way down, while others fall the whole distance of the falls, and takes approximately 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. There are two ways to reach the Cascade Falls, the upper trail and the lower trail. The upper trail is described as an uphill challenge, while the lower trail offers a more scenic hike. Both trails start at the same trailhead, and you can switch between them along the way if you prefer a more or less of a challenge.
Pretty steep, huh?
It's a long climb.
Another little cave down there. I don't see any information on this.
You'll gain about 663 feet in elevation during the hike.
Having fun?
I am.
Interestingly, the falls were originally named Norris Falls by Superintendent Philetus Norris in 1880.
You made it!
However, geologist Arnold Haig suggested renaming them Virginia Cascades to honor states in the Union. So the falls became known by their current name, paying homage to the beautiful state of Virginia.
Yep, definitely have to come back here, bring everybody.